I'm back with a couple more Lego blind bags. Woo! These are the Disney ones that they've had out recently. So I thought I would open them up and try and put them together here. Let's see. Let's open this. And let's see what we got. Oh my god. Oh my god. Did I get it? Did I? Let's see. Another Minnie Mouse. Can't believe it. I can get a Minnie Mouse easily out of this stuff. It's like you just get that. This is my third Minnie Mouse for Steamboat Willie. It's my third Minnie Mouse. My god. There is Minnie. I can probably put her right there. Look at that. Too close. Too close. There she is right there. Alright. Let's see what else we got. If it's under the Steamboat, if it's another Minnie, I'm not going to bother putting it together. You've already seen it. In this and probably another video I did. Nope, it's not a Minnie. It's something else. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, it's a Scrooge McDuck. I don't have Uncle Scrooge. Yeah, I've been picking these up every now and then. My wife goes to a craft store named Joann's. She knits, she crochets. My wife does all this stuff. And for big kids like me, there's a couple of shelves of Legos over there. So of course we go in and I just stand by the Legos looking all sad and she'll grab me a couple. Okay, let's get his walking cane. The one that he uses in that NES game where he bounces. And there's Scrooge McDuck right there. And he's got coins. He's got a couple of coins, but nothing big. He's got 2 sticks. I guess he can beat people up if they try to take his money. Alright, well that's it for a couple of Lego show and tells. Talk to y'all later. Bye!